Thank you for joining us at ATCG Solutions for another session of SAP BOBJ 101. Today we are going through SAP Xcelsius dashboard. Please note we are on SAP BO 4.0 SP5. Here's our agenda. First, I will introduce you what is Xcelsius dashboard and other basic concepts. Then deeply understand and navigate Xcelsius dashboard and their data connectivity. Then I will show you step by step how to build Xcelsius dashboard. So what is Xcelsius? Xcelsius, we also know as Dashboard Designer in SAP BI 4.0 Enterprise. It is a dashboard and analytics tool which can help manage and track company's performance. Also, it is a predictive modules and what-if analysis. So Xcelsius usually helps management make executive decisions. When we design Xcelsius, we start a white paper session. After understanding the business requirement, we draw out the look, the feel, and the functionality of your Xcelsius. And we have to mention some key points. For most data preparation and aggregation, they should be done outside of the Xcelsius in database such as Business Warehouse, SQL, Oracle, Excel, Access, and Web Service. Sometimes you can clear up and make some changes in spreadsheet which inside of the Xcelsius. Xcelsius is not an OLAP tool. It doesn't aggregate data. And we should also know Xcelsius uses design time, not a runtime, when developing a dashboard. It will be exported to a flash file for presentation. So let's start navigating Xcelsius dashboard. This is what it looks like. We can see they divided 5 parts. Components browser. We know every kind of chart like line chart, bar chart, or pie chart, and selectors like future, checkbox, combo box, all from here. Object browser, we can use every object we created, and we can display and hide them. Workspace is our main platform. We drag and drop components, design what it looks like, and their functionality. About the embedded spreadsheet, it's like inside Excel. You can make some changes, and when you design a dynamic visibility, sometimes we use this to assign source data and target data. On the right, we can see the properties panel, which determines the canvas and the components properties. And also we can see the help and the tutoring. And in the toolbar, we can see the file, edit, view, format, data, help. In the file menu, we should know templates and sample. Templates allows pre-existing template to use a base to work from. And we use samples to view what is required to do what. And the document properties allow us to set specific settings such as canvas size, global fonts, and descriptions. In the data menu, we can import a new spreadsheet into your dashboard using import. And import from enterprise was used to import from the business objects repository. Also, you can export to a standard MS Excel file, and the connection and the connections which links to a data manager, which we will talk later. In the format menu, we can see align, space, size, order, and theme. We also can use a help menu to know more concepts and understand more. Then in the components browser, this shows available components that can be added to your module. We can display by category view, tree view, and list view. It's hard to say which one is best. It depends. For me, tree view is convenient and faster to find what I'm looking for. Object browser provides a list of components that are part of your module. You can use this to select and manipulate components, such as give a new name, hide components, group and lock components, move components forward or back. We already know the canvas, which is your workspace, displays components such as charts, selectors, and containers. And from 2008, it incorporates an embedded spreadsheet. It's fully functional and contains the source data for your visualizations. Of course, you can add, modify, delete your data directly. And in the properties panel, usually we can see a general panel, a general tab, insertion, behavior, appearance, and alerts. In the general tab, we set a basic configuration for components, such as title, labels. Insert tab is available for some charts to act as selector, and we use a behavior tab to set how the component will work within the module. Appearance tab is to format the look of the components. Then let's review the backend connections. We can see lots of types of connections in Data Manager, such as OLAP Universe, querying as a web service, we also call QoS, LiveOffice, and SAP NetWeaver BW, etc. The most important thing we have to mention is connections differ from 3.1 and BI 4.0. Here is their difference. In 3.1, after creating DSO InfoCube and backquerying to the universe and crystal reports, and then universe to the web intelligence report, and then web intelligence report and crystal reports to the LiveOffice. That's the first one, and then besides universe to the QoS, and that is the second one to connect the dashboard. But in BI 4.0, the different place is Webby report to the dashboard designer is by web service, not by LiveOffice. This is the third one, and backquerying can connect the dashboard designer directly by connection BICS. So that's the first one. So that's a difference between 3.1 and 4.0. Okay, until now we have everything. Let's build your first Xcelsius dashboard. Here are the steps. Let's go through step by step. First, we use white paper to determine dashboard look and feel. It's like a blueprint schedule module. It's like this. You have to know what you want to do, and then build backend data module in database, and build queries to import data into BOBJ, and build BOBJ connection. Then you have to open the Xcelsius 2008 and open the blank module in Designer, and then create connection and import data. We will show you later. And then in the dashboard designer, you can choose components, create basic charts like line chart, pie chart, and add some selectors like combo box, future, and checkbox. And after done, adjust your properties and preview. You can see how perfect you did. And everything was done, export to PDF, PowerPoint, Word, and also export to BI Launchpad. What is BI Launchpad? It should be like this. BI Launchpad, you can access Webby report, dashboard, crystal report, and organize them to suit your needs. It's like this. So BI Launchpad, it's also important. We will mention later. And for now, let's do the exercise. And we open the dashboard designer, and then we go to the data menu to choose import data, and you can upload your spreadsheet from your laptop, and that's what we have. And then you can choose a column chart. You can choose a selector of combo box and toggle box, toggle button, and we can also choose a list view. Okay, so let's do the specific setting for each one. We can see the object browser, and every name what we have. First, if I want to hide the list view, so I click the hide the list view, and but the list view is not appeared, just we cannot see right now. Okay, so hide, and we choose combo box, and we give the title for by ethnicity, and labor, we can choose a labor from the race, and because it's empty, so we go to the behavior tab, and we choose the hold on, after we choose the future rules, you can see the Asia American O, it appears multiple times. So if you choose future rules, it just shows one time. And behavior, we go the labor 3, so we can see O. And in general tab, source data is everything what we have, every data, and the destination is education, male and female. Usually we use a yellow to mark the target source. And then we go to the column chart. We give the chart's name. It's average age of marriage. Subtitle is by ethnicity, and we choose by series, and series 1 is male, and series 2 is female. And for male, the value should be target source, should be target data, right? Where's male's target data? It should be here, right? And about the category labels, it should be like high school, associate, bachelor, master, MBA, and PhD. So we collect this one. And for the female, it's the same thing. Value, we choose female, and the label should be the same as a male. And about the toggle box, toggle button, we give the so let's click the toggle button, and we select the source data. Let me see. Okay. So because we want to display the column chart and list view at the same time, so we have to do the dynamic visibility. So we choose a toggle button and choose a data insertion. So we have to create another spreadsheet. It's named MISC, and we give the graph chart 1, or we give the key number is 1 or 2, and the target data, and then the source data is 1 and 2, and the destination is 1 blank. We give the yellow color, and in the column chart, where we should find in the behavior, there is a dynamic visibility. Status is target source, and the key is 1. That means if we click this, if we connect this yellow, that means we go to the target data and we go to the graph. So that is the meaning. And and another thing is list view. We can see we go to the list view. In the general, we display data is our target data. Everything include education, male, female, and we also go to the behavior dynamic visibility. Status is the yellow color, and the key is 2. When we connect this yellow color, we input the key 2. That means we go when we click this button, we go to the chart. So that is the final meaning. Okay, so I think we are done for the everything, and let's hide the list view, and let's preview. Okay, so we can see very beautiful Xcelsius dashboard. We can choose Asia. We can see the male and female, the different average age of marriage. We can see This is Asia's, and Americans, it's more higher than it's more older than Asia's, and for all, you see, it's a big difference, and it's dynamic. You can see what you want to see, and we click go to the chart. See, it's we can see the specific numbers of the education of the male and the female. We can compare the specific numbers. And okay, and you see, we can design, we can export the Xcelsius dashboard to our PowerPoint. We can also we can choose Asia, Americans, all, and graph, chart, and then okay. So if you have any questions, please contact me or our company, or go to our company's website. It's atcgsolutions.com. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.